The clean filter message on your Tineco vacuum often appears even after you've cleaned the filter. This happens because the vacuum sensor hasn't reset or still detects a blockage somewhere in the system. Start with basic cleaning steps. First, empty the dustbin completely. Then gently clean the main filter by tapping out any loose dust. Don't use water yet, we'll save that for deep cleaning. If the message continues, perform a deep clean. Wash the filter with water and use a brush to scrub away trapped dust. This is crucial for removing particles that simple tapping cannot dislodge. Many Tineco models have multiple filters. Make sure you've cleaned them all. Also, remove the entire dustbin and inspect it for hidden blockages that might be causing the sensor to trigger. Finally, if your Tineco has a self-cleaning cycle, run it to remove any stubborn gunk. Make sure the vacuum is charging and hold the power button to activate this feature. This can help reset the sensor and clear any remaining debris. When basic cleaning doesn't resolve the clean filter message, we need to focus on advanced troubleshooting techniques. The key component to examine is the dust sensor system. The dust sensor is typically located inside the dustbin area. This sensor can become dirty or malfunction, causing persistent filter warnings even after proper cleaning. To troubleshoot sensor issues, clean the dustbin filter thoroughly with water and ensure the dustbin is correctly installed. If problems persist, the sensor may need professional replacement. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing filter issues. Establish a consistent cleaning schedule based on your vacuum usage patterns. Clean filters after each self-cleaning cycle or monthly, depending on usage. Always air dry all components thoroughly to prevent odors and moisture buildup. For optimal performance, perform deep cleaning 2 to 3 times monthly. Use Tineco's recommended cleaning solution, or enhance your routine with vinegar or baking soda for thorough sanitization. Prevention is key to avoiding filter issues. Replace HEPA filters annually and maintain all vacuum components, including the brush roller and dustbin, regularly. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will keep your Tineco vacuum operating efficiently and prevent recurring filter messages.